Hi, welcome back to all learners. Now we just got the basic customization options for ESXi 6.7. Right now we need a friendly user interface. Here you can see in the image here, we need a friendly user interface from where we can manage number of resources of physical infrastructure on which virtualization application like hypervisor is installed. So on the inside of the physical infrastructure, we have compute resources, we have storage, we have number of management tasks, we have networking options. So these all options need to be configured, and for that purpose we need a friendly user interface to implement the concept of virtual machines, to implement the concept of interconnectivity, storage areas, and all the aspects which make this infrastructure operational. So if we move further, you can also see that, let me clear all these things. So if we move further, so we just want to configure our ESXi server like this to implement virtual machines to increase the performance. Let me highlight it full. To increase the performance, to save our time, management and deployment of the virtual machines and other storage areas configuration. So for that purpose, most of the time we use browser services. We open the web browser and then put the IP address of our ESXi server. So if I go for the configuration for detail here, you can see that we need to open the web browser. It might be Chrome, it might be Internet Explorer, it might be Firefox, and there you can implement, you just put the IP address of your ESXi virtual host and then start the whole configuration. So let's get another productive demo related to the connectivity of ESXi server with our web browser. So let's move further.